Horrible Bosses, 2011. I watched this again a few months ago after seeing it originally in the cinema in 2011 when it was released. It stars Jason Bateman as Nick Hendricks, Charlie Day as Dale Airbus, and Jason Sudeikis as Kurt Buttman. And they are the three protagonists who are battling antagonists who are the eponymous horrible bosses. There's Kevin Spacey is plays the boss of Nick, and he manipulates him like a cat manipulates a mouse, and like micromanages him and ask him to have a drink, and then accuse him of being an alcoholic, that sort of stuff. And then, whilst he thinks he's about to be promoted, um, tells him that no, he's going to continue. The new manager is going to be. Um, he's going to take on the role himself. Now, there's Jennifer Aniston plays Julia Harris, Dr. Julia Harris, the dental surgeon who bullies Dale Arbus. That's Charlie Day's character. And she engages in a lot of sexual harassment. It's like, yeah, it's kind of like, um, it felt funny at the time. I suppose seeing it again after all these years, I think, all right, kind of is funny, but not that funny, maybe. Um, the thing that I most liked about this film was, well, Jason Sudeikis plays Kurt Buttman, and he's an account manager at a chemical company, and he has a nice boss. However, the nice boss has a difficult son who's a right drug addict and really obnoxious in just about every way possible. And this son is um, Bobby Pellett. He's played by Colin Farrell, and he does an amazing job. He's unrecognizable, I thought. I just thought it was amazing. I thought it was the highlight of this film. So I think the story has some funny elements. I like how they try and recruit a murderer to get rid of these bosses. They try and recruit a hitman, and there's jokes about wet rooms or wet work, wet work. Oh gosh, there was some stuff that I thought was pretty funny. There's a thing about oh yeah, this sat nav. I guess it's relatively early days for sat navs. 2011. They came out in the mid noughties, and this sat nav's almost like we consider AI now. Connects to the internet, looks up stuff. It's very friendly. Actually, I think um, the sat nav's actually a person in um, Bombay or some Mumbai in India, and um, he he asks to be have an anglicized name because his existing name is difficult to pronounce, and so there's that element as well. I mean, it's observed; it's not made a huge deal of, but um, the yeah, this kind of like Jamie Foxx. He's quite an interesting character because Uh, they go to South Central LA, or I think it's just now known as South Los Angeles, so that it's not as it hasn't got the same terrible reputation as South Central had in like the late 20th century. By calling it South LA, it's like South London. It's good and bad, I guess. And I think that's a good thing because, reducing the um, stigma of a place is sensible. Ideally, it will not be as bad a place in the long run. But one thing about this sat nav, they use it to get to an area, probably a long way down Central Street. That part of that I think South Central got its name from, unless it was the southern central area. But if you go far enough down that road and you go to Watts and Compton and places like that, then stereotypically that's where there's bars where they might find their hitman, and that's where the sat nav takes them. And they meet Jamie Foxx's character, and he's going to mentor them in doing the killing. And that has a element of humor because it's not like straightforward hit job. It's like how to train someone to be a murderer. Um, and yes, they're going to try. They're going to get help to dispatch uh, the bosses they don't like. I mean, it's not really the best idea, obviously. Getting rid of your boss. I mean, look for another job or something. I don't know. So there's that element. It's just like, but films, they often have murder. Murder is not taken seriously in films. So fair enough, I guess. I mean, it's fair gaming comedy. Now I'm going to score this 7.5. It's again, there's a bit about this film. I still found it funny when I watched it. I um, there's a lot that I think I just feel it's a bit icky. Um, I don't know. I'd love to know what you think about it. So please like if you like this review. Um, please, thanks if you subscribe. Please hit the notification button. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.